Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this hoe. Hello, how are you guys? It's hump day, smack dab in the middle of the week. I put a ring light on this. Yeah, this bitch has a ring light. I usually put it as backlight down on the floor just to like illuminate what? My big butt? I don't even know what I don't know. Lighting. Cinder effing Rella. I don't know as much as I know about makeup, and I tried to do some of that today, and your girl can't. So yeah, I don't know, guys. I just don't friggin' know how. So if things are a little discombobulated, it's because I don't know why it is. It's just because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So, hey, welcome back. Here we go. I have a Fashionphile unboxing. Now, as always, or I won't say as always, as the last few times I have unboxed things, I've already unboxed it and done a one-handed camera unbox, which is annoying to Yota, but don't tell her. But at the end, I'll try to slip that in, and that's what she said. I will try to slip it in, though, on the end. If you see the camera doing this, it's because I'm dancing, because I'm so happy about this item. So, I ordered this item on layaway from Fashionphile back in... Okay, that was left over from that Speedy, little baby Speedy eye. I don't know how it got over there. But anyway, I ordered this in plenty of time for my birthday. I put it on Fashionphile layaway in August. I got it in October, but in all the hoopla, it got down below some other things. I full well knew about it, but I just didn't go digging and unbox it. I just figured she deserves her own video after my birthday because she is fabulous and she needs just one video. So this won't be a very long video. I say that, and 25 minutes later, crazy girl is still trying to go on and on about it. But anyhow, this is what she is. It is Chanel. As when you clicked on it, you saw Chanel in the title, because I'm always clout chasing and trying to get more views. So I'm just going to be totally honest with you guys. That's all that is. So that's why I put it in the thumbnail in the picture. So just as you get from Fashionphile, I'm so excited, girl. You get your little dust bag. And this one was a full set, as they say in the business. Not that I'm in the business, but you know, I see people in the business. But it is, it is a blue Chanel wallet, like a flap wallet. I don't really, let me see. This is how much I don't know about Chanel, and we're not going to find out because it just says it's a flap card holder, actually. I went a little too far in. It's not actually a wallet, girl. It is just a card holder. Okay. And it's blue, as you can see. I bought this when Mel, actually this has been back in the summer. I bought this when Mel in Melbourne did an unboxing of, I don't know if it was an unboxing, but she partnered up with Samorga. Am I telling you that right? Or, God, yes, she partnered up with Samorga, and she made a little insert that goes into card holders and little wallets to make it a crossbody. And you know I was all about that. Also, Mary did it when she first talked about it, when it was actually relevant. I had to put this little beach on Fashionphile Reserve because I didn't have the money, honey. But she finally paid it off. We got it in October, and so now here we are. But anyhow, I'm going to link Mary's video and Mel's video so that you can actually see, you know, when it all went down. If you haven't already watched it, you probably have. But I am always a day late, $1 short. In this case, 3 months short. $500 short too. But it came with a little card, the authenticity card. It came with a little Chanel. I guess this is what they come with, guys. I only have the one Chanel bag. And I bought it from Fashionphile, but it was brand new. And it comes with all the little tags. It came with all the price tags, the little Chanel booklet, which I thought was cute. And even when they bought this, maybe this was a holiday thing, I don't know. And the Chanel box. So I got an actual full-on set, right? So anyway, it's a card holder. And I just thought, I need this in my life because, you know, after I bought her, Miss Chanel up there, I thought, oh, I need some more Chanel, but I can't really afford it. And I'm saving for something else, so let's put something on Fashionphile. And it just came at the perfect time because I saw that whole thing with Mel, and she made this little deal right here. She made this with them. Okay. I haven't really looked at this much. Okay, here it is. This is like a little extra thing, I guess, to stuff in your card holder. Maybe we'll use it. I don't know. But this creates a crossbody. Who is all about the tiny, tiny bags and crossbodies? And this is perfect because, as she said in her video, and so did Mary, they are charging, Chanel is charging, y'all know, they price increase every, what, 7-8 days now? I mean, it'll be $50,000 for this item in probably 2 or 3 months. But anyway, yeah, for just a card holder. That's how crazy they are over there. But anyway, I'm never going to be able to buy anything from an actual Chanel boutique. I've already faced that fact. But I can get a pre-loved item and put it on Fashionphile Reserve, and bada bing, bada bang, in 60 days, it's mine. So, I don't know. Where was I going with this? Yeah. If you go on there and you see that they make these, they make the card holders, Chanel does, with the chain and the little, it's already equipped to be a crossbody. It's like $1,800 or some crap. No, ma'am. She can't, she won't, she cannot, she will not. Not today, devil. Never. But anyway, with this little jewel, handy dandy, and I got blue because, you know, I got the blue. I'm always thinking, guys, always thinking. And I got a real, I was going to say a bad word, but I got a real penchant. I got a real mat-on. How's that for blue this year? Blue is just my thing. I am in love with it. So anyway, now this is turned into, girl, look. Yep. It's a crossbody now. Bra, 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 bra. I don't really have, I looked everywhere for my Felicia little chain. I can't find it. But I do have my Chanel crossbody. It's not the same color blue, but I have the strap that came with my little bag back there. So let's try it. Cinderella girl. I know I say that all the time. It's from Pretty Woman. And she actually says the F word in that one. And normally, if I'm not doing a video, I will say Cinder bleeping real. I'll say it, girl. I say it all the time. I don't know why. It's just stuck with me. And I've said it for, how old is that movie? 30 years old? 40? I've said it for that many years. Yes. Okay, I'm going to button it. What the heck? Okay, I got it. And I'll stand up and show you. Look, she works. What in the heck? That is the best. Mel, you outdid yourself. That's why we're best friends, because you and I are simpatico. I was thinking about this sort of thing. No one approached me, and then you did it, so I didn't have to go out there and seek out Samorga and all the rest of those people and try to propose this idea. Thankfully, you were on top of it. I think now she also has a wallet, a longer like wallet insert that does this too. Oh, she thought of everything. But this was the, I don't really have any other card holders that I guess this would work in, because they have to have a flap, right? I don't want to lose it, is what I'm saying. Like, I like the idea of the flap on there because it's secure and that's not going to fly out on me, and I'm not going to lose my $500 used card holder. Girl, you already know. Okay, enough rambling on. Let's do this. What? Okay. I hope my front butt's not in the picture. Call that my front butt. When I've got on leggings, it kind of, yeah, it's not pretty. But anyhow, she's trying to lose some weight. I don't know if y'all noticed, but girl, it's hard. Okay, so what do you guys think? This is a little too short. I mean, this is, I would need it to come down to about right here. But I'm not mad at this. I think that would be okay. Guys, I am going to take this into, you know, Walmart, Sam's, the grocery, Target. She doesn't care. I don't know if I told you. Okay, so this is a win. A bona fide friggin' win. Hell yes. I can put all my little cards in here. I am all about this life right now. I can't. I'm dead. Okay, she's not gonna come off. All right, so I'm gonna see. Let me just see something while I got you on the horn. What about, remember I got her out the other day. What if I wanted to stick her in here? Oh, it says Mim Samorga.
A few moments later.
But this doesn't work so well in a card holder like this. I mean, you can do it, but it's kind of shoved in there, and I don't like that. But yeah, it will work. And again, though, I worry, though, if it doesn't have a flap like this one to hold it securely. It works best in this. If I'm going to critique the item, that's what I'm going to tell you. If you're buying it for one of these type of card holders, I mean, go ahead. Buyer beware, I'll just let you know. But I think it's a good item. I think it fits in there. It's a little crinkly. But I mean, say you're walking around and you've got a little too much, boom, she's gone. And then you've lost a $300 YSL. No, no, not today. I am interested to get the wallet one. Of course, I don't really have a wallet that would work. I'm also going to have to buy the wallet. So in 2 or 3 more months, watch me review that, guys. I'm going to have to go on Fashionphile, put something on reserve, pay it off, and also order the little thing from where she made this other thing. And this was not cheap. But then again, I didn't think about it, but she probably had a promo code on there and I didn't use it. So I think this thing with shipping, because the shipping gets you. The shipping's very expensive. The item I know that it was like $40, $45 for everything, but I think half of that was shipping or something. Because isn't it coming from, I don't know, like Singapore or something? I'm not really sure. Korea, maybe? I'm not sure where they ship out of. Pardon me for not knowing anything today. Pardon my French, girl. I don't know. But I love this item and I love this. Stick around and I'll show you the unboxing, one-handed unboxing of this item when I first got it back in the 1st of October, and you can see. So yeah, I love. And then when you don't want to use the strap, this thing tucks neatly away in there. So it's a great deal. I mean, I wish I'd thought of it. I seriously do. I'm kicking myself for not being more industrious and a little less lazy. But hey, that's who I am. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. I'll come back here on the weekend. I'll probably have like a tag video. And you know, at the end of my tag videos, I get my phone out and tag everybody. I love everybody in the purse community. I was thinking about that today. Like, there's not one person that I don't just like, yeah, I really like her. I really like him. Yeah, I really like him too. Yeah, it's everybody. I love Devin. Devin sent me a birthday gift, but I'm going to unbox it, or I'm going to show it to you and reveal it on Wednesday, Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, because I have a couple of Coach items that finally came. And I will show you all of that, and an MCM item that I ordered on a whim and was very, very inexpensive, and it's something that you may want too. I know, guys, I left you with a little teaser. Oh, she's such a tease. Okay, guys, I will see you back here on Saturday. And listen, if y'all see my husband, though, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Fashionphile. Ooh, I'm getting excited. Okay. Yes. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed, guys. If you notice I do this now, I record my first impression of it and then I'll make a video later. But this is just for the gram, I think. Well, and the ends. Dun, 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 dun. Holy shoot. What? Oh my lord, she's so soft. She came with the tags. She came with the box, the dust bag, the little authenticity number. OMG, she's so beautiful. There was a little wear right there, I think, but oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at the little pocket. Look at her, look at her. Oh my god, look at her, look at her. Wait, what? God, she's so beautiful. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, wait, yes. Let me see. Look at all the extras, girl. I got the little ribbon. This is amazing. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yes. Dun, dun, dun. Was a friend of mine. Dun, 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 dun. Cisco Kid. That's what I was trying to think of. Oh my gosh, I love. Are we recording? Oh, hi. We are. Look at girl's makeup. It's